Turkey.
Atta girl, atta girl.
You're so silly, Drew.
I'm gonna walk back. Here. Hold it. Fun game, admit.
Okay, Cindy girl.
Come here.
Drew, you're silly. Yay!
How many steps did he take?
3 or 4.
Hey, I'm strapped up to go to cowboy camp. I'm going to be trained how to be a cowboy.